In this video, I will show you how to change your Canva plan. So right now, for example, I'm on the team plan, but I want to switch back to the personal pro plan. To do this, open up Canva and in the top right, click on the settings icon. And from here, go to billing and plans. Now in billing and plans, you can see which plan you are currently on, which for me is the team's plan, and how much it costs. Now if you want to change the plan you're on, just go and click on the three dots right there and click on switch to either Canva Pro or Canva Teams, whichever one you're currently not on. So for me, I want to switch back to Canva Pro. And then in order to do that, I will need to remove all team members. So just click remove team members. Now in my case, I already only have one member. So if you get that message, you will need to click cancel plan, then click continue cancellation, and then just choose a reason and click continue cancellation and click cancel subscription. And then you want to go and subscribe again, but now you want to subscribe to Canva Pro. So in this case, you can see I will lose access on this date and I will not be billed again before that date. And then once that time is up, then I can go and upgrade to Canva Pro again. So that's how to change your Canva plan. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.